Welcome everybody. You're attending Teacher Shubhana's class. I'm teaching you Julius Caesar Act 2 Scene 1 and I'm going to complete it today. I'm going to begin from line 310 and I'm going to finish the scene today. Alright, so enter Lucius with Ligarius. Lucius, here is a sick man that would speak to you. Brutus, Count Ligarius, that Metellus spake of, that is whom Metellus was talking about. Boy, stand aside. Who is this boy here? Lucius. He is asking Lucius to stand aside. Alright. Caius Ligarius, how? That is, how are you? And what makes you here? What is your condition? Now, Brutus. Ligarius says, vouchsafe good morrow from a feeble tongue. Why is he saying feeble tongue? Because he is supposed to be a sick person at the moment. As Metellus had said, and he also is admitting that he is quite sick at the moment. So, vouchsafe good morrow from a feeble tongue. He is not well. That is what he is saying. And now, good morrow is, he is greeting Brutus. Okay, it's early morning, so he is greeting Brutus. He is saying good morrow, Brutus. Good morrow from a feeble tongue. Brutus, oh, what a time have you chose out, brave Caius, to wear a kerchief. Would you were not sick? That is actually the time for the conspirators is very grave. They are about to go on a mission, and it is very, very important for them. I'm sorry. It is very important for them. So Brutus is saying, Ligarius, what a time have you chosen to wear a kerchief on your head? Would you do it if you were not sick? That is, in those days, in ancient Rome, it was a custom that people used to wear a handkerchief on their head if they were sick. Ligarius says, I am not sick. If Brutus have in hand any exploit worthy the name of honor. That is, Ligarius says that I will not be sick if Brutus has got anything to exploit me of and in the name of honor. Brutus says, such an exploit I have in hand, Ligarius. So Brutus says, of course I have in hand such a mission, such a exploit, and I know what I have called you for, and I know what I am supposed to do, and I have such a duty for you in hand. Had you a healthful ear to hear of it, that is, if you would be healthy enough to lend me ear to listen to it, if you would be healthy enough to listen to it, I would definitely let you know what I'm, give you some, I'll definitely let you know something what you are expected to do for me. Alright, so now Ligarius says, by all the gods that Romans bow before, I here discard my sickness. So immediately as Brutus says this, Ligarius, he feels very enthusiastic, and he feels that he has become very energetic, and he tells him that okay, with this I I throw away this kerchief, I discard my sickness, I throw away this handkerchief. Soul of Rome, brave son, derived from honorable loins, thou like an exorcist have conjured up my mortified spirit. That is, like he tells Brutus, Ligarius tells Brutus that soul of Rome, brave son, derived from honorable loins, you have conjured up, you have reignited my spirit like an exorcist. And the spirit, he happened to be, he tells him that he happened to be a dead person, a dead spirit so long, and he has come back to life, and it is only because of Brutus's words that he has been able to come back to life. Now bid me run, and I will strive with things impossible. Now you tell me what I have to do. You just order me to run, and I will get impossible things done for you. I will try my level best and I will get impossible things done for you. Yeah, get the better of them. What's to do? That is, I will do the best of myself. And what do I have to do? That is what Ligarius asks him. That is, what's to do means what's there to be done. Brutus says, a piece of work that will make sick men whole. That is, a piece of work has to be done. I have in hand for you, which has which has the capacity to make sick men healthy. Ligarius says, but are not some whole that we must make sick? So Ligarius says, but are there not some healthy men whom we must make sick? Are there not some whole? This whole means that is the whole man, a healthy man. And now he tells that are there not some healthy people healthy person? Is there not a healthy person whom we must make sick? Brutus says, that must we also. What is it, my Cassius? What it is, my Cassius? What it is, my Caius, I shall unfold to thee as we are going, to whom it must be done. That is, you come with me as we are going. I'll let you know who has to be made sick, which whole man has to be made sick. Ligarius says, set on your foot, and with a brave heart, new fired, I will follow you. That is, you please start moving, and I shall unfold, and with a brave heart, new fired. My heart is brave and which has been reignited. It is new fired. It has been reignited by Brutus himself. I follow you. That is, you move and I go behind you with a brave heart which has been reignited. To do I know not what, because Ligarius, he does not yet know his mission. It has not been clarified to him. It has not been told to him. But it sufficeth that Brutus leads me on. He says, but it is sufficient. It is sufficient for me to know that Brutus is the person leading me. And I know, Ligarius says, and I know that I have to follow Brutus. That is enough for me. With which Brutus says, follow me then. Okay, and they start moving, and there is thunder in the background. So with that, we finish with Act 2, Scene 1, and I'll be continuing with Act 2, Scene 2 onwards from the next class. Thank you.